In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit media in Dedoose. Now first, you want to open your project and you want to go to media up top, so this third tab. And then from here, you basically want to find the media you want to edit. So I'm just going to click on this first one over here. So just click on it to actually open it up. And then here, this is your document, your media. And if you want to edit this, which of course here I have just some demo document from a demo project of mine. And then you can just basically click anywhere in here. And as you can see, by default, you can't type in anything and you can't change it. So to be able to edit the media, you want to click on this button top left, which will lock/unlock your document editing. And if the lock is unlocked like this, you'll be able to click anywhere and you'll be able to start typing in whatever you want. You can even like remove some things, you can delete them, you could go and change them, etc. Okay, this button at the bottom right will reset your changes, and then this button at the bottom right here will save your new changes. Okay, now whenever you're done with your editing, you can just go ahead and save it down here bottom right, and you can then click on the lock button, and editing is going to be locked yet again, so you don't actually make any mistaken edits in here while you are using your coding. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.